Hey, good morning, Mike Giannotti here, and a happy find at Walmart this weekend, $39. This is a 7-inch, it's called the outdoor fire pit, like so, and you'll notice it has little stands here. I'll show it real quick. So if you're looking for something, to me this was a no-brainer for your disaster preparedness stuff. You know, we had hurricanes and there's all kinds of things that people worry about, but just something simple to be able to cook. And also get a little bit of heat. This will run just on twigs, you know, even wood pellets you could use. But it looks like a mini little solo stove. And like I said, $39 at Kmart. Let me take off the little skirting here. There we go. So it comes out like so. Here's the top. Like this. Comes with some directions. Not that you really need any. You can see it has a little bottom in there to keep the wood up and have airflow. And let's bring that out over here. Here we go. So again, just like a little mini solo stove, this sits in, but when you turn it upside down and fit it in, you'll notice it also has, which is very nice, little arms here, right, that you can place a pan or a pot on. And so you have, or coffee pot, percolator, right? So you get your stuff, you get some heat going, you can cook some basic things, put a little frying pan on it, put a little pot on it, and have some food as well as a heat source. So again, 39 bucks at Walmart, picked it up, and it is the Ozark Trail brand. So that goes into my little kit, you know, for emergencies for the family. So just a little happy find. Hope you have a great week. You can check it out, Walmart, and have a great day. Take care and ciao.